In this video, we will show you how to turn image into short video using Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. Using artificial intelligence, now you can tune the image. For example, we have two images. We will make these two images into stunning video. But be careful, or disclaimer, this can make a slender or misinformation. So this is just for entertain only. How to do that? Now open your Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. Okay, if you don't install the Wondershare Filmora for the latest version, you can update the Wondershare Filmora into the latest version. So your Wondershare Filmora will available image to video menu like this. Okay, if you want to update, just click help, and in here select check for update. Then you can click update here. Okay, now in here you can just go to image to video to start creating image into the video. You can create custom comment to make your image into like what you want, but in here I'm just using template for easy. Okay, for example, in here we will using scan fight. Okay, this is just for entertaining, but make sure you don't make this video to slander someone or make the misinformation, because it can damage people. So this is just for entertain only. Okay, in here we will select the AI fight using our picture that we just showed to you using this. Okay, you can using single image or still mode. Okay, this still mode you can upload the another image, and you can select the area for the first image and the second image. But for easy, we can just using single image the content to picture like this. Okay, then we can click submit. Okay, to generate this AI, okay, you need the Wondershare Filmora credit point here. So it takes 250. You can click generate. Now the Wondershare will work. Wait until the process is 100% so we can see the results. Now the video is complete. Okay, you can see you have this AI. Okay, for the result, one is this and second is this. You can see here. And the second is here. Once again, I'm saying to you, don't make the video to slander someone or make any misinformation, because it can hurt and damage people. For number second, in here we will using image to video to creating another effect. For example, this effect. Okay, how to do that? Once again, you can click the template, or if you believe on your comment, you can just using custom to customize the comment. But in here, let's just using the template too fast, because this is just a tutorial. Okay, I'll make this rectangular smaller like this to make sure the effect apply in this moment, and click submit. To generate, once again you will spend 250 points and click in here and wait until 100% again. Now the effect or the AI has been generate our video. Let's see the results from our image. Wow, it's very cool. Okay, you can using another template or your custom comment. To using custom comment, you can just go to this custom. You can create your comment like, okay, this demo. You can see it's beautiful. If you believe your comment is stunning, you can just type in here and create your stunning video. And that's all tutorial how to turn image into video using Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. If you have any question, you can fill in the form comment below. Thanks for watching.